So what's up again, guys? For this lesson, these are the components that we need. We have the Arduino Uno board, the potentiometer, the resistors with the value of 220 ohms. We have here the light emitting diodes, color red, green, and yellow. Of course, we also have jumper wires and the breadboard. I use red wires for red LED, green wires for green LED, and yellow wires for yellow LED. And this black wires and white here is will be used for our ground. This will be our wires for the potentiometer. So let's start here. We will be using pins 2 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The long wire is for positive and the shorter one is negative. Let's make sure that the positive side of the LED is on the right side here and the negative ones are here, so we can easily identify its pins. Okay, so yellow is on the right side, green. So every LED's left side is ground. Resistors on the positive side of the LED. So every right side. Right. Let's jump it here. Okay, right side. And now let's attach the ground wires. Let's make it a common connection for every black wire. Common connection. And then common connection to Arduino ground. So let's connect it here on the leftmost part, VCC, and we can attach it here on the red line, and this line is for ground and the upper line is for our positive or VCC. And then the output in the middle. Okay, let's connect the ground here. So the ground first, let's put the ground 5 volts to the 5 volts here, or you can just directly put this one here, 5 volts. Output pin A0, so that's analog 0. Okay, red, make sure that you are aligned with the resistors. So we've connected the wire that will also be connected to the Arduino. Pin number 2. The next red wire will be connected to pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5 to pin number 6, 7, 8, lastly pin number 9. Let's compile Compiling the code allows you to see if there are errors prior to uploading the code. Upload now the code and see what happens. I hope we don't mess up with this connection. Okay. Now it's now uploading. Oh. Can you see it? The LEDs are now starting to blink. Okay. So let's try it. I will now turn the knob. Okay, it became faster, as you can see there. And now I'm gonna turn it much faster. Okay, can you see it? Well, that's one cool project right there. So if we want it slow again, so let's turn the knob. The maximum and the lowest speed that we could get. Okay.